So now activity. So now this activity, so the question, using the unitary method, find the simple interest for 1 year. So 1 year, so we should find the simple interest here at a rate of 6% on 100 rupees, on rupees 100, interest is 6% means 6 rupees. On 100 rupees, interest is 6 rupees. On 1 rupee, interest, how much interest? Interest is, so 6 by 100. So this much interest you will get for every 1 rupee. So you will get this much interest, that is 6 by 100. Now we have to find on 2000 rupees. On 2000 rupees, on 2000 rupees interest, that is 6 by 100 into 2000, 1010. So then what is left? 6 into 20. So that is 6 2s are 12, 120 rupees. So on 2000 rupees interest is 120 rupees interest we should pay. Okay, 120 rupees we should pay the interest. So here 4% interest on 100 rupees, on rupees 100 interest, 4% means 4 rupees we should pay. How much pay? 4 rupees we should pay. So on 1 rupee, on 1 rupee interest, that is rupees 4 by 100 you will get, 4 by 100. So now we have to find on 4000 rupees, on rupees 4000 interest, that is 4 by 100 into 4000, 1010 get cancelled, 4 into 40, 4 4 the 16, 160 rupees, 160 rupees, this is the interest on 4000 rupees at a rate of 4%. Now here 8% interest. So on rupees 100, on rupees 100 interest, rupees 8, 8% means 8 rupees. On rupee 1, on 1 rupee interest is, that is 8 by 100. So now we should find on 1000 rupees. On 1000 rupees, on rupees 1000 interest, that is 8 by 100 into 1000, 10101010, then 8 into 10 left, 8 tens are 80 rupees, 80 rupees interest on 1000 rupees. Okay. The next question, so rupees 1500 at rupees 7%. So interest on rupees 100 interest, rupees 7 rupees interest, so we have to pay on 100 rupees. Why? Because here 7% is given. On 1 rupee interest, that is 7 by 100 rupees. So this much interest we should pay. So now we should find on 1500, on rupees 1500 interest we have to find, that is 7 by 100 into 1500, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 7 into 15, rupees 105. So this much interest he should pay. How much? So 105. So on 1500, if a rate of 7%, then he should pay, so 105 rupees interest here. So 9% on 100 rupees interest, on 100 rupees interest is 9 rupees. On 1 rupee interest, that is rupees 9 by 100. On rupees 2500, 2500 interest, that is, so 9 by 100 into 2500, 0 0 and 0 0. So 9 into 25, 25 9s are 225 rupees. So the interest, how much he should pay? 225 rupees interest he should pay. Okay. Now, in the second bit, find the simple interest by using formula. Here principal amount is given 5000, rate of interest is given 4% and time period is given 3 years. Then how to find simple interest? The formula is there, simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. So that is, what is the principal amount? 5000. What is the time period? 3 years. And what is the rate of interest? 4 by 100. 10 10 10 10 cancel. Here 50 into 3 4s are 12. Now 50 12 are 12 5s are 60, 600. The simple interest is 600. Okay students. Now here also principal amount is given 4000, rate of interest is 2% and time period is for 2 years. Then simple interest we should find. Simple interest formula P into T into R by 100. What is P here? P is 4000. T time period is 2 years. R rate of interest is 2 by 100. 10 10 10 10 get cancelled. 40 into 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, means 160 rupees. This is the simple interest, 160 rupees. Now the third question, principal amount is 5500 and rate of interest 5% and time period 4 years. Then simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. What is P? That is principal amount, that is 5500. Time period 4 years and rate of interest 5 divided by 100. 10 10 10 10 get cancelled. Then 55 into 4 5s are 20. Now 2 55s are 110 and this 0 we should keep. So 1100 rupees. So this is the simple interest. So at a rate of 5% for 4 years. Okay. Now, so the fourth question, principal amount is given 8000, rate of interest 2% and time period 5 years. The simple interest formula, simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. P into T into R by 100. Then what is the principal amount? 8000 and the time period is 5 years. Rate of interest 2% by 100. 10 10 10 10 get cancelled. 80 into 5 2s are 10. 80 10s are 800. The simple interest is 800. The simple interest is 800. Okay. Now the next, principal amount is given 3500, rate of interest is 6% and time period 7 years. The formula for simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. So what is the principal amount? 3500 and time period 7 years, rate of interest 6% by 100. 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. Then 35 into 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Now 35 2s are 77. 35 4s are 140. 140 plus 70, 147. So this is the interest. 1470 is the interest. Okay. So now the students in activity. So the third question, solve the following sums. Here some word problems are given. So we should do. First we should understand the word problem. Then after that we should decide what we should do. Okay. So see here. So the first question. So Robert deposits 30,000. So 30,000 rupees in State Bank of India for 3 years. For 3 years. So which earns him an interest 3%. He is earning 3% interest. If he earns 3% interest on 30,000 for the period of 3 years, so then what is the amount he get after 1 year, 2 years and 3 years? First we calculate the amount for 1 year and after that amount for 2 years and amount for 3 years. So first whatever is given that we should write. So first principal amount is given. So what is the principal amount? Principal amount P is given, that is 30,000 is given. 30,000, this is our principal amount. So then after that what is given? The time period is given. Time period, so for T 3 years, so he kept his amount in the bank. So then after that rate of interest is given R. R is equal to rate of interest 3%. So then what he is asking? Amount. Amount after 1 year. Amount after 1 year. First simple interest. So in 1 year. 1 year simple interest. 1 year simple interest. 1 year simple interest we should find. So what is simple interest formula? P into T into R by 100. PTR by 100. So what is P value here? That is principal amount 30,000 and T time period is for 1 year and rate of interest 3% divided by 100. 10 10 10 10 get cancelled. Then 30 into 300 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So that is 900. So rupees 900. So this is the amount. This is the simple interest for 1 year. Amount. Now we should find amount. Amount for 1 year. Amount for, how you will get amount? The principal and the interest we should add. Amount means principal plus interest we should add. So what is the principal here? That is 30,000 is the principal and the interest is 900. Interest is 900. So then, so what is the amount? So he should pay. So here the interest, here the rate of interest is given not 3% here. So in your textbook it is given 8% interest. Here percentage is 8%. So it is not 3. So it is 8%. Rate of interest is 8%. So we should take rate of interest is 8%. Here 8. 8 3s are 24. So 2,400. So here the amount, interest amount is 2,400. Then total amount he will get after 1 year is 32,400. This much amount he will get after 1 year. So this is after 1 year. How much amount he will get, that he is asking. So the answer after 1 year is 32,400 amount he will get after 1 year. So here the rate of interest is 8%, not 3%. Okay, students. Now, second year, 2 years interest, 2 years simple interest. So that is P into T into R by 100. That means P means 30,000, T time period 2 years and rate of interest 8 by 100. Here 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. So then So 3 2s are 6, 600 into 8. So 8 6 are 48, rupees 48 means 4800. So the simple interest, so for 2 years simple interest is 4800. After amount, after 2 years, after 2 years how much amount he will get? That is principal amount plus interest. So the principal amount is 30,000, the interest amount is 4800. That is amount after, so after 2 years 34,800 amount. So they will get after 2 years. After 1 year 32,400, after 2 years amount is 34,800. The next, after 3 years means the 3 years simple interest we should find. 3 years simple interest, P into T into R by 100. The principal amount that we know, that is 30,000, time period 3 years and rate of interest 8 by 100. So 10 10 10 10 cancel, 3900 into 8, 8 9s are 72 means 7200. So this is our simple interest, rupees 8,000, 7200. This is the simple interest, 3 years simple interest. Then after amount after 3 years, how much amount he will get after 3 years? That is principal amount plus interest amount. That is amount is equal to principal amount, that is 30,000 we know, plus interest amount, 3 years interest amount 7,200, that is 37,200. So this amount he will get after 3 years. So first of all we should find interest for first year, interest for second year and interest for third year, simple interest. Then after that amount we should find amount for 1 year, after amount for after 1 year. So this is not for 1 year, after 1 year, after 1 year, after 1 year the amount. So how you will get amount? The principal plus simple interest we should add. So then you will get the amount after first year. So after second year also the same, simple interest and principal amount we should add. Then you will get amount after 2 years. So here also the same, after finding simple interest for 3 years, so the principal and interest we should add, then you will get amount for after 3 years how much he should get from the bank. Okay, okay students. See, so Rani invested a certain amount she invested. How much amount she invested, that we don't know. So that means capital. Capital amount means principal amount we don't know. So certain amount of money and got back an amount. So after investing some amount she got back. So how much amount she got back? So 8,400. That means this is the amount she get back. So if the bank paid interest, so in this interest is there, it means here amount is given and interest is given. The principal we should find. So how much amount Sam invested, means investing amount. So find the amount. So Sam invested. So how much amount Rani invested, that we should find. Here in some books it is given Sam, so you should change it as Rani. Okay students, Rani invested. How much amount she invested. So here what is given in the solution? First we should take whatever is given, that we should write. So amount is given. So what is the amount? Amount Rani. So Rani, so got back. How much amount she get back? So that is 8,400. This much amount she got back. So then interest bank paid. Interest bank paid. How much interest bank paid? So that is 700 rupees. So then the amount Rani invested, amount Rani invested. So that means that is principal amount he is asking. How to get principal amount? So from the amount, so we should subtract interest. So that means how to get principal amount? So from rupees 8,400 we should subtract 700. So if you subtract 700 from the amount from the interest from the principal, then you will get 7,700 rupees. 7,700 rupees you will get back. So this much amount Rani invested. So Rani invested 7,700. After bank paying 700 as interest, she get back 8,400 rupees. 8,400 rupees. Okay, students. Now the next question, the third one. How long it takes a principal of rupees 25,000 at a simple interest at a rate of 5% to become 30,000. 30,000. So this is the principal amount given. So this is the amount given. So how long? How long means he is asking time period. He is asking time period. So okay. So rate of interest is given. So rate of interest 5%. First here amount is given and principal is given. First we should find the interest. So then interest, first amount. What is the amount here? Amount A is equal to 30,000. So 30,000 rupees amount. So in that, what is the principal amount? Principal amount is 25,000. So then interest amount. So how you will get interest? If you subtract principal amount from the amount, then you will get interest amount. So that is from 30,000. From 30,000 we should subtract 25,000. So then you will get principal amount. 30,000 minus 25,000, that is 5,000 rupees. This is the interest. Then rate of interest. Rate of interest is given. Rate of interest is 5%. So then we have a principal amount and rate of interest, and we should find time period. How to find time period? Time. So time period, how to find time period? Time T is equal to 100 into I by PR, P into R. This formula we discussed. Okay, so 100 into I by PR. So that is 100 into I means interest. What is the interest? 5,000 rupees interest by P, principal amount 25,000 into rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? 5%. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros get cancelled. So then 5 ones are get cancelled. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So then time period 4 years. 4. So this is our time period. So the total how long? So it takes 4 years. So in 4 years 25,000 becomes 30,000 at a rate of 5%. Okay, students.